morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are very fit and fine. Okay, dear students. In the last class, when we met that time, we all were on the Zoom class. We all had the Zoom classes, right? So now you will get the videos. You will get the all study materials in the form of videos on YouTube. Okay. So dear students, which chapter we already started? We already started chapter number 2. And what is the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter is food. The name of the chapter is food. And which part of this chapter you are going to see? This is part number 2nd. This is second part number which you are going to watch today. Okay. So when we had the Zoom classes, we discussed about the food. We discussed about the sources of food. What type of sources of food are there? So there are two types of sources of food: plants and animals. Plants and animals. Then we discussed food from animals. Then we discussed food from animals. And then we discussed about the food habit. Okay. So and we had food groups also. But once again, I am going to revise all these things. Because this is video. You are going to watch the videos. Okay. So today we will discuss on food groups. Once again, I am going to revise. Today we will discuss about food groups. Okay, what is food groups? Let's see what is written in the book first. Then I will explain you step by step. Alright? So everybody is ready? Everybody is ready for the new learning and the different learning in EVS? Everyone is ready? Okay. Very good. So open your EVS book. Take out page number 13 and whatever is written on page number 13, once again I am going to read for you. है ना? क्योंकि हम Zoom से वीडियो पे कन्वर्ट हुए हैं तो थोड़ी सी we will get the connectivity. Okay? Good. So whatever is written in the book, first I am going to read. Food contains different substances which our body requires. Once again, I am going to read. Food contains different substances which our body required. The meaning of this line is that, see, we all are human beings. Are you agree with me? Yes, we all are human beings. And we all human beings are wearing the different clothes on the different occasion. Are you agree with me? Yes, you all are agree with me. So as like that, we all need the different food substance which our body requires. As like that, our body is not always required the same type of food. Our body is not required the same kind of food item all the time. So our body is required the different type of food. है ना? Suppose your mama will prepare khichdi daily for you. Daily she will prepare khichdi for you in the evening. So one day you will eat happily. The second day you will eat happily. Third day you will feel little upset because fourth day you will feel monotonous. Why? Because daily we cannot eat khichdi in the evening time. है ना? We also want the different kind of food. है ना? If mama will prepare khichdi all the day, all the evening times, it is not good. So we will We will tell to mama, mama please do not make khichdi again yaar. Do something more. Prepare something more. Okay. So our body always need the different food substance always. है ना? These substance help our body to grow strong. These substance help our body to grow strong. If we want to grow strongly, then what we will do? We have to include, we have to involve all these substance. है ना? Suppose I am giving you a small example so you can understand in a better manner. Suppose there are 30 students is in one class. Are you agree with me? Yes or no? Yes. There are maximum 30 or 35 students are there in the class. So some students only have the good height and the good physique. Only some students have a good height. And some students have a strong muscles. Some students have a good fitness, a great fitness. So how they can get all these things? Because they include, they involve the good food or different food items which our body requires. है ना? When we will include all these things, we can grow up nicely. Some students are not like to eat all types of vegetables. They are not liking to eat all types of grains, all types of pulses. No, they are very choosy. Once they will choose to eat only potato vegetable, they will eat only potato vegetable. Once they decided that they will eat only ladyfinger vegetables, so they will eat only the ladyfinger vegetables. So, is this good for your health? Is this good for you? Huh? As like your mama. If mama will prepare khichdi daily for you, you will get bored. As like your mama, your body requires much of different food items, much of different food substance, which is very necessary to grow well. है ना? Now, understand this much. ये 2 लाइन का मीनिंग समझ में आया? Okay. Hope you all are very great students. You can understand nicely. Now, the next line. To get energy and to keep away diseases. To get energy. A food gives us what? When we will feel hungry, definitely we all will eat food. And food gives us energy. Energy to work and play. Work करने का काम, that is for your mama and papa. And playing का काम, that is for your side. है ना? So food gives us energy to work and play. And these are called nutrients. What is nutrients? This word nutrients is new for you, my dear students. You did not heard this word before this class. So underline this word, highlight this word nutrients, because now we are going to discuss, now we are going to learn more about the nutrients. So the number 1 nutrients are protein. What is number 1 nutrients? Proteins. What is number 1 nutrients? Protein. Okay, this is number 1. Whatever food item will come in this category, we will discuss on that. Okay, so let's see what are these proteins. So in this category, how many things will ओके, सो तुअर दाल, छिलके वाली मूंग की दाल, धुली हुई मूंग की दाल, छिलके वाली उड़द की दाल और धुली हुई दाल, ठीक है। सो दीज आर दी रिच सोर्सेज ऑफ प्रोटीन. When we will include all types of pulses is in our diet, is in our balanced diet, is in our food, definitely we will get protein. Up number 2, milk. Milk we will get from the animals, and milk is also the rich source of the protein. Number 3, cheese. Yes, all the students like to eat cheese. Cheese, every students like to eat cheese. Yes. So cheese is also a good source of protein. Then nuts. है ना? Nuts means what? Nut means मूंगफली के दाने, है ना? Then almond drops, cashew nuts, काजू बादाम, ये जो सब होते हैं, all these will comes in this category. They will come in the nuts category. Then wheat. Wheat में भी क्या होता है? प्रोटीन होता है. Wheat means गेहूं, है ना? Wheat means गेहूं. And we all are eating chapatis, which is made by the wheat. Okay. Then eggs. Eggs also is a rich source of protein, and we will get egg from hen. Then fish, and then meat. Fish and meat, these also are the sources of protein. And what is the work of the protein? Protein help our body to grow and repair. Protein help our body to grow यानी बढ़ने के लिए, grow and repair. Grow and repair well. By using all these items, by using all these food items, we can get a good health, and we can grow up nicely. And suppose when we get injured, है ना? Suppose we all are riding a bicycle. All the students, all the children, all the kids love to ride the bicycle, and suddenly they fall down from the bicycle. Then what will happen? Sometimes, some place they can get injury, है ना? Sometimes this injury is little and sometimes is very severe. So what will happen? When we will include all these food items, it helps to not only to grow our body, but it helps to fill the injury fast. जो हमें चोट लगती है, when we will get hurt, when we will get injured, so this protein help us to grow up nicely, and this protein help us to fill this injury nicely. And that is the reason protein को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Grow food भी बोलते हैं. Protein को, keep this thing is in your mind that protein is a grow food. GROW, grow food also. And a protein को we can call it grow food also. We can call it grow food. So understand about the protein. प्रोटीन के बारे में समझ में आया कि सारी दालें, दूध, चीज, नट्स, व्हीट, एग और फिश मीट, ये सारी चीजों से हमें प्रोटीन मिलता है. और जब भी हमें चोट लगती है, इंजरी होती है, तो प्रोटीन की मदद से हमारी इंजरी, हमारी बॉडी रिपेयर करती है फटाफट से. और यही एक रीजन है कि इसको हम ग्रो फूड भी बोलते हैं, क्योंकि इसको यूज करने से हमारी बॉडी जल्दी जल्दी ग्रो होती है. Now I am going to rub this because this time I am not making my video with computer. ये मोबाइल से बनाने के लिए बोला गया. मोबाइल में इससे ज़्यादा का बोर्ड कवर नहीं होता है, इसलिए मेरे को इसको मिटाना पड़ेगा. ओके. Now the second thing which we are going to discuss, that is carbohydrate. That is number 2, carbohydrates. our body? What is the work of carbohydrate is in our body? All these questions will come is in your mind, है ना? ये सारी बातें आपके दिमाग में आ रही होंगी कि why all these things are needed to our body, है ना? So let's see. In this category, rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, bread, and beetroot. How many food items will come in this category? Rice, wheat. Wheat में प्रोटीन भी होता है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट भी होता है. Both the things we can find out in wheat. Then sugar, then potato, then what else? Banana. Yes. Children loves to eat banana, and banana is good for your growing age. When you will have fun banana every day, you will get good height. Bread, then and beetroot, okay, and then what else? Yes, all these contains of the carbohydrate. Rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, bread and beetroot. All these contains of the carbohydrates. ये सारी चीजों से हमें क्या मिलता है? हमें मिलता है carbohydrates. क्या मिलता है? Carbohydrates. And carbohydrate means what? Carbohydrate means energy giving food. Carbohydrate means energy giving food. Carbohydrate means, wait a minute, my chalk is finished. Energy to work and play. Energy to work and play. Energy to work and play. We will get all these things if we will include carbohydrate is in our diet. Okay. Now, what is the next name of the carbohydrate? That is the reason we can call it go food. So carbohydrate को हम go food भी बोल सकते हैं. We can call go food. Go food means जाने वाला खाना, है ना? Go food means जिससे हमको एनर्जी मिलती है. कार्बोहाइड्रेट से एनर्जी मिलती है and we can call it energy giving food also and we can call it go food. बेटा ये जो इनके जो दो नाम दिए हैं ना, जैसे प्रोटीन को ग्रो फूड बोलते हैं, कार्बोहाइड्रेट को गो फूड बोलते हैं. सो ये सारी चीजें आपको दिमाग में रखनी है, ठीक है? डू नॉट फॉरगेट ऑल दीज थिंग्स इजीली. कीप ऑल दीज थिंग्स फिट ओवर देयर इज इन योर माइंड. नाउ दिस आई एम गोइंग टू नाउ अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. अब वी विल डिस्कस ऑन फैट्स. अब हम फैट पे डिस्कस करेंगे. We will discuss on fat. Okay. Now, number 3, fat. Fat means what? You have seen so many fatty boys and fatty girls around you, है ना? Nowadays, most of the kids became very fatty because there is no school, no coming to school, no going to school. Comfort zone, easy going life is going on, है ना? So today we are going to discuss about the fat. Fat means मोटापा. Now, fat हमें किन किन चीजों से मिलता है? We will get fat from butter. We will get fat from ghee, है ना? We will get fat from oil. अब oil में भी जो जमीन से निकलता है दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्राउंड नट ऑयल, दैट इज कॉल्ड ग्राउंड नट ऑयल, राइट. एंड देन कोकोनट ऑयल ऑल्सो, coconut oil. Okay, so butter, ghee, oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil, and these all are the contents of the fats. These all are the contents of the fats. ये सारे फैट के कंटेंट है, ये सब फैट, इनको खाने से फैट ही होती है बॉडी, फैट मिलता है और फैट से भी हमें एक तरह से एनर्जी ही मिलती है. Okay, and these food item give us energy and keep our body warm. So what is the quality of this fat? This food give us energy, and what else? उसके अलावा क्या? उसके अलावा क्या? एनर्जी के अलावा क्या? What else? Energy and keep our body warm and keep our body warm. ठीक है. अब फैट से हमें किन किन चीजों से फैट मिलता है? फैट मिलता है बटर से, घी से, ऑयल से, ग्राउंडनट ऑयल मतलब मूंगफली का तेल, कोकोनट ऑयल नारियल का तेल, एंड ये सब क्या है? ये एनर्जी गिविंग थिंग्स है ना. और ये साथ में हमारी बॉडी को गर्म रखती है, वार्म रखती है. ओके, द पीपल दोज हु आर लिविंग इन माउंटेन एरियाज, जो माउंटेन एरिया में रहते हैं, दे नीड मोर दीज थिंग्स बिकॉज ऑन माउंटेन देयर इज वेरी वेरी कोल्ड काइंड ऑफ क्लाइमेट. In Khargone, तो already we are suffering 9 months. We all are suffering from summer, from hot season in 9 months, है ना. 9 महीने तो खरगोन में गर्मी ही पड़ती है, डेफिनेटली है. मुश्किल से 1 या 2 महीने ठंड पड़ती है और कुछ ही दिन बारिश होती है. ठीक है. So we Khargone people are not need to keep our body warm. Now they help us to keep the skin soft and glowing. अब फैट का दूसरा काम क्या होता है? फैट का दूसरा काम होता है कि हमारी स्किन को सॉफ्ट और ग्लो रखता है. Keep our skin soft and glow. अब सॉफ्ट से तो पता है आपको, नर्व, ग्लो मीन्स चमकना. समटाइम्स some people have a very glowing skin, उनकी स्किन बहुत चमकदार होती है. So why is it so? Because they involve much of fat in their diet, है ना. उन्होंने अपनी डाइट में बहुत ज्यादा फैट को यूज किया, इसलिए उनकी बॉडी बहुत ग्रो करती है. ओके, सो दैट इज द रीजन हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? ग्लो फूड भी बोलते हैं. उसका अनादर नाम क्या? व्हाट इज द अनादर नेम? ग्लो. व्हाट इज द अनादर नेम? ग्लो फूड. ग्लो फूड मीन्स चमकदार भोजन. वी कैन कॉल इट ग्लो फूड. अब टेल मी वन थिंग, दैट प्रोटीन का नाम क्या है? द नेक्स्ट नेम, द अनादर नेम ऑफ द प्रोटीन इज ग्रो फूड. एंड द कार्बोहाइड्रेट का दूसरा नाम क्या है? गो फूड. एंड द फैट का तीसरा नाम क्या है? ग्लो फूड, है ना. ग्लो फूड बिकॉज when we will include these all items as in our diet, we can get soft and glowing skin. We can get soft and glowing skin. Okay, so now the last one, vitamins. The last one, vitamins. उसके बाद I am going to wind up my class. उसके बाद ये वाला class finish. Okay, vitamins. Vitamins, ठीक है. Vitamins. अब what are the sources to get the vegetables. These are the sources of vitamins. These are the sources of vitamins. And what is the work of vitamins? Vitamins can protect our body from different diseases. Vitamin can protect our body from different diseases. जब हम सारी फलें और सारी सब्जियां खाते हैं तो उससे हमारी बॉडी प्रोटेक्ट होती है और हमें किसी भी तरह की बीमारी नहीं होती है. वरना इट इज सीन दैट मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स दे आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द cough and cold and fever, maximum number of time, and then stomach problem also. So that is the reason when we will include all these items is in our diet, we can get the good body. Okay, so dear students, this is enough for today's class, and when we will meet in the next class, we will discuss about minerals and fibers and balanced diet. ठीक है, ये सारी चीजों का डिस्कशन अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे. So hope today you enjoyed a lot to learn about the food and food groups. So today we discussed about the protein, carbohydrate, fat and vitamin. ठीक है, अब प्रोटीन को क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोटीन किसमें होता है? पल्सेस, मिल्क, चीज, नट्स, व्हीट, एग और फिश और मीट में होता है. और इसका दूसरा नाम होता है ग्रो फूड. और ये जब भी हमें इंजरी होती है, इंजरी होने के बाद ये प्रोटीन जो होती है हमारी बॉडी को रिपेयर करने में हेल्प करती है. अब होता है नेक्स्ट कार्बोहाइड्रेट. कार्बोहाइड्रेट होता है राइस में, व्हीट में, शुगर, पोटैटो, बनाना, ब्रेड और बीट रूट में. और कार्बोहाइड्रेट का मेन काम होता है हमें एनर्जी देने का. ठीक है, और साथ में ही द नेक्स्ट नेम ऑफ द कार्बोहाइड्रेट इज गो फूड. उसके बाद हमने फैट के बारे में पढ़ा. बटर, घी, ग्राउंडनट एंड कोकोनट ऑयल इज द सोर्स ऑफ फैट्स. और उसका दूसरा नाम है ग्लो फूड. और विटामिन्स को क्या हम बोलते हैं? प्रोटेक्टिव फूड. ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स, ऑल द फ्रूट्स गिव अस प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम द डिसीजेस. ओके, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you. When we will meet in the next, we will learn more thing. Bye.